Hi everyone. I want to show you how I put on my Aeroflow Dynamics rear diffuser. I'm sorry, it's already nighttime again. It's a lot cooler to work at night. And I'll show you, and let's go learn how to put this thing on. If you haven't been to my channel, please subscribe if you can. Please help me out grow in this community. Yep. So today, we're going to be putting on an Aeroflow diffuser, rear diffuser for the Civic Type R. And I just wanted to add no more MagnaFlow for this. That MagnaFlow was just basically, it's a terrible exhaust. The tip, the carbon fiber tip was burnt. The sound, you can have a drone in the tunnel of your console, and it just it vibrates everywhere. But anyway, new exhaust system was put on the car. Rides so much better, I heard, and it is a lot more quieter. There's no drone. HKS. It's always a quality product. Anyway, let's go ahead and put this one on. All right, let's go ahead and remove all the packaging cover. This is how it came. So this came with a lovely box. Look at this crap. It says 10 times Civic Type R bolt. Anyway, there it is. Oh, it looks like a quality bolt. And then what are these? What are these? Oh, another bolt. Yeah, we still have mosquito in here. Anyway. Let's go ahead and unwrap this thing. I don't think you guys want to watch me unwrap this. Go ahead and forward it. So it comes with this nut that goes on here. And then it goes on the other side as well. All right, go ahead and remove all the clips. Not all the clips, but the clips on the back and like this. I think there's only maybe 8, 10 that you need to remove. I'm just laying down here and put them out. I'm gonna remove all of them, so we'll see which one we need and what we not. I think this one you have to keep it. I'm gonna keep this in here. So, all right. So it's a total of 6 tabs that you need to remove. And I'm gonna have to put this thing on here. You can reach in there, so thank God I don't have to remove the bumper. Sorry everyone, it's kind of dark now. I was actually working on another car earlier. We kind of paused in it, but now I'm back. But to do this, you have to be a contortionist to put the screw down on the back. So what I did, I put the screw like just right here on the back. I reached in right here and cupped the 5th screw, and then lift up the car. I ended up lifting the car so I have room. Take out the screw over here and reach inside this hole. So right here, just open it and reach in there. You can see there's screws in there, that shiny part in the middle of the screen right there. Just insert your hand in there, because I try not to remove a bunch of stuff or anything at all. So anyway, that's that. What else? Yeah, just work your way in. All the screws are in there. I'm gonna put on the other side, lift up the other side. It's just dangling on there now. The 5th screw right here on the outside. So what I did, I worked from the front and then I all the way back here, and then just cup from the inside from down below. I wish I have a video of it, but it's getting dark. Trying to get everything done quick as possible. So far so good. Almost there. I'm gonna do the other side now. All right, so once again, I also did like this on the other side, and then I inserted the screw, push my hand inside the bumper. There's other ways too. If you have one of these, you could remove this and reach inside as well, but because these are removable. The vents, these are actually real vents, not the fake one anymore. Sorry about the delay, guys. It's already nighttime. Well, I got it on. It's pretty cool without removing any you know, craziness on it. You just work your way in, you know, from the bottom, cup the screw and stuff like that. I don't think you could do this by yourself, so you need someone to hold the screw and put it on for you while you're holding the other side. Anyway, guys, it is on. I don't have any cool shot, but here it is anyway. As you can see, it's not really noticeable. You know, it's there, but it's not like in your face. So I kind of like that look where it's very subtle. It's very stealthy looking, but it is in there. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, catch you on my next video. Please subscribe, help me out on my channel to grow, and I'll catch you on the next one. More car projects. Come and learn and you know, put on some parts. Take care, everyone. God bless. Bye.